that is out there suffering with a chronic injury they just can't get rid of. It's nagging, it's this, it's that, and maybe it's even getting worse. This machine is perfect for you. Steve Abercrombie, chiropractor here in the Bay Area. Offices in Fremont and Danville. It has helped so many people in so many ways at the cellular level for so many conditions that it's just hard for practitioners to actually do normally. So essentially, when you have injuries, your body has stem cells that normally heal those tissues. But when they're under chronic inflammation, it's just overwhelming for them, and they kind of go to sleep and go dormant and lay in those tissues. Basically, it sends shockwaves into the tissues that wakes up those stem cells and get them to start to work again, which will create tissue regeneration, neovascularization, which means a new blood flow to the area, which always is great for healing. It will actually regenerate bone and heal bone fractures with certain practitioners that treat that. And this machine, I'm told, is the only one that has the patent for peripheral nerve regeneration, which is pretty amazing. After you get the gist of the treatment, you can kind of scroll through and see, you know, the end result. We also have a few patients where we try to video each treatment, at least get some feedback from each treatment so you can kind of track their progression. We want you to see these videos so you can actually get an idea for yourself and absorb it and see if it feels right for you. And if it does, then please give us a call, because so far we've had nothing but success with it, okay? All right, thank you.